Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial based on one of my favorite shows, Friends. I started watching this show when I was little, watched it with my mom, watched it without my mom. I just have been obsessed with it ever since, so I'm all decked out in my Friends stuff. So for this tutorial, I chose apartment 20, aka Monica and Phoebe and Rachel and everybody's apartment at one point. I used those colors, the blue for the cabinets, the yellow for the frame, the purple for some of the walls, and then the teal for part of the hallway bathroom slash door. I'm going to be using those in two different ways. So this first eye that you see that's already done, I've decided to use the yellow, the blue, the teal, and the purple that way. And then on this other eye, I'm going to be doing the exact opposite. So I'm going to be flipping those colors. I mainly wanted to do this just so you can see what the colors look like both ways. I actually do wear eyeshadow like this on a daily basis. I think it's kind of cool, and it gets people to stop and ask you questions and stuff. And I just like to be weird. So I'm first going in with the purple, and then with the teal, and then I'll be going in with the blue, and then the yellow. And I like to use flat shader brushes to first put down the color, and then I will use a little bit of a swiping motion just to kind of blend it out a little bit, and then I will use a fluffy brush like you see here just to start going in with the crease, and then going back in and adding more color as needed. So yeah, I did have to stop for another coffee break. I love myself some coffee, and it is the morning, so and I am going back in with that purple real quick, adding a little bit more, and then blending it into that teal. You'll see me doing that a couple times back and forth. The top is always the most important, and then when you see I get to the bottom lash line, I just throw that color on there and blend it. Oh, and by the way, I am watching Friends, so you will see me laugh right here. So cringe. Okay, bye. Alright, so next I'm going to be adding in a little bit of glitter. On one side I used gold, this side I'm using silver. I couldn't really decide on what I wanted, so I did it different for both eyes. YOLO. So do whatever you like. Alright, now that we're done with our eyeshadow, I'm going to move on to a winged eyeliner, and then we're going to be using some mascara for top and bottom, and then I'm going to be applying some falsies, of course. Alright, and I just had to add a little bit of a mauve lip moment right here. This is a lipstick from Milani. I got it on clearance, so I don't know if they have it anymore, but this color isn't that hard to find. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye!